Salbonani balaleli lama-viewers AVG Reality Channel igama umxolisi Sibongisa Kuncube. Sitophe eZimbabwe lapho-ke inhlanganiso emela abafundi basema-university ye-Zimbabwe National Students Union izinasu isinikeze uhulumende insuku eziyisikhombisa 7 days zokuthi akhulumisane layo kumbe ahlangane lembilasithutha. Izinasu ithe ikhuluma inikeza uMinister we-Higher Education, Higher and Tertiary Education u-Amon Murwira insuku eziyisikhombisa sokuthi avume ukuhlanganelana labafundi akhulumisane labo ngezinto ezithile abathi azihambi kahle. Kungehlula lokho bathi uhulumende uzababona sebegcwele iganga lonke ilizwe lonke bedemonstrator ukuze kukhulunyiswane kumbe kuzavalwa ama-university wonke if uhulumende engalalelanga lesi sikhalazo sokuthi kube khona ukuhlalisana kuxoxiswane ngezinto ezithile ezihlukumeza izifundi ikakhulu zasema-university lema-colleges. Asilaleleni ngelapha isikhulumeli sezinasu sikhuluma le ntatheli zindaba.
Well, thank you very much, members of the fourth state, esteemed cadres of the Zimbabwe National Student Union who are here present. We are here, Zimbabwe National Students Union, to register our final grievance, our final call for dialogue with the Minister of Higher and Tertiary Education. It has been months when we have tried to engage the ministry. We have sent a lot of requests, several requests, which were met with deafening an ear. So we are here, Zimbabwe National Student Union, to send a final call for dialogue with the Minister of Higher and Tertiary Education, Professor Amon Murwira. As Zimbabwe National Student Union, we are a 21st century student movement. We believe in dialogue, and we have given dialogue a chance. That's why we are here. We have just submitted our letter requesting for a formal meeting, and we have given the Minister of Higher and Tertiary Education 7 working days to respond to our letter. And it's a test to him as someone who is benefiting and who benefited from the free and affordable education during his time, from the benefits of the liberation struggle. So it's a test to Honorable Minister for him to prove to the students of this country if he is not really an intellectual thug who believes that he is the only one who is supposed to benefit from free education, which was fought for by our forefathers. So as Zimbabwe National Student Union, to make sure that we register our grievance, and after 7 working days, we are going to declare a national shutdown in this country. We are going to use streets as a point of entry because we are tired of engaging. We are tired of trying to convince him to have a dialogue with him, and we will definitely use the street as a point of entry. So we are here as students to submit our letter to the ministry requesting for a dialogue. After 7 good working days, without any response, we are going to use the street as a point of entry, and we are not going to stop, and we are not going to be ignored. I thank you.